Hey Brandon Tubbs, my name is Kevin Farrell with Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you very much for inquiring about the brand new 2015 Genesis. You didn't specify color or trim package, so I brought you up one of my favorites just to do a brief overview. I want to show you how much room is in the back seat. Gorgeous leather. Plenty of room in the back seat for 3 passengers. You got a lot of headroom and a lot of leg room. Up front in the center on the steering, you can control your radio, you can control your Bluetooth, your cruise control, and your tachometer. Of course, the front seats are naturally heated and power. In the center here, you have a navigation screen, AM, FM, satellite radio with a CD player. Your screen here will actually revert to a backup camera when you put it in reverse. Excuse me. There's an awful lot to go with this vehicle. This one actually has a panoramic sunroof. You can have that or not have that. It just depends on you. Smart cruise control, have that or not have that. Blind side. There's just a lot in this vehicle. I need you to come and give me a call, 914-3049. Again, my name is Kevin Farrell. Love to test drive this vehicle with you. It drives just smooth. It's just a tremendous vehicle. Again, Kevin Farrell, 914-3049. Best thing about this vehicle is the warranty. 5-year 60 on all the mechanics of the car, 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain. If that's not good enough for you, Tameron is going to double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the engine, the transmission, and the drive axles. You also have a 5-year roadside assistance. So give me a call, 914-3049. Again, my name is Kevin Farrell, Tameron Hyundai. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much.